I read. Parang indie movie. Wonka Wai.
Wonka Wai. Wala naman ako love interest. Napakalungkot naman. Hi, we are at... Where are we? Huh? Actually, I really have no idea. Si Craig kasi nag-ayos ng hike. So we have no idea what's happening.
He knows the details, you know?
Yeah, we just follow him. But anyway,
We're just here to hike.
Let's go. We're walking now. We're starting. We have Kuya Ronnie as our guide.
Rani kasi.
Rani. Wait, let me do it again. We're walking now. We're starting our hike. We have Kuya Rani as our guide.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm fucking tired. Hindi pa kami nag-asset. They're walking so fast for some reason.
Sabi mo kasi you wanted to go fast.
As a joke.
You took it seriously.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight.
Guys, we barely started. And I'm fucking dying. So si Wiz, ilang beses ko nang naututan.
So she's
Jill. Alab is there.
show your faces. Hi.
Craig is there. Okay, let's go. Sabi ni Kuya. Sabi ni Kuya, we are past the steepest part of the trail. But I don't believe that. I have trust issues, so we'll see.
How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding.
Say hi!
Hi guys. Hello Karen's vlog. Hi.
Yan si Kuya, aming guide. Mag-hi ka Kuya, dali. Hello! On track ulit kami. Babalik kami sa trail and go to the actual peak. They're trying to identify birds. We have 2 field biologists with us.
There are no birds.
But there are no birds. Fun fact, bamboos are grass.
Say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not.
I think this is it.
Hi tayo. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
We're here na. As you can see, marami ng tao pero kanina kami lang. Ito na daw yung summit pero mas maganda. Wow, light work.
Light work. Easy.
Anyway, this is the itsura. It's so interesting kasi hindi clearing sa peak. It's just it's just rock. Mga kasama ko atat maglakad eh. Like, what about the touching grass part and feeling things?
A few moments later.
Survivors.
Dito kami. Hi. Long distance. Anong oras na dyan?
If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys.
So, nasa Camp 1 na kami ng Maynuba. Wow! This is Tanay. This is Antipolo. And this is us.
Let's go.
Let's go! So far, we paid 100 pesos per head dun sa barangay hall. 5 kami, we paid 500. And then, hiwalay pa yung bayad sa guide.
Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk.
We're just girly pops, chilling. Sobrang Latina. This is our view. But we gotta go. Kasi, so, pababa na kami, technically. Pero, dadaan kami sa waterfalls. We came from there. And we walked all the way here.
I saw you inside, it was a cold winter night. You shone like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here, holding back tears and fears. You're just my type.
Close call is orchestrated. Hidden paradise.
Hi.
We have arrived in the falls.
It's actually so nice.
Ooh, ganun lighting blue.
The wood is nice.
The girly pops who went to the waterfalls.
As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been able to make this moment go round. I'll drink another drink, so I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do.
So, tapos na kami sa waterfalls. And we are truly going down to go to our car. Yay! We did it! We have reached Kabihasnan, guys. We are done! Woo! We survived!
2 hours later.
This is what we're going to eat. Yes! 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 And I will end the vlog here. Hehe! Say bye.
Bye-bye.
We're still here, actually. This is it. This is our last meal. Hurrah. So, what do you think of the hike? Is it beginner friendly? It's their first mountain.
Proper hike. Proper hike. Taalos our first hike. Taalos our first hike. Technically. Kaya naman. 110. Maybe like 7. Yeah.
Difficulty or?
Difficult. Oh, I don't know. No,
Like how good it
I
is.
know, 7 being positive. Okay naman.
Pretty good mountain.
Pretty good mountain.
Kasi parang
Mountain na to.
It would get really smooth when you're going down. Tapos, going up the ascent was actually getting pretty steep na. I think kasi my expectation entering was, alam mo yung patag.
Bundok.
Yeah.
When we were starting, tapos we're like, I was like, whoa, beginner level to. I was like, I think mahirap lang yung waterfall. Kasi wala ka ng ano eh. Like if you really have no balance.
Yeah.
And lesson learned, not carry a heavy bag. Because I had my first for you tumbler. But you can do it. You can do it.
Doable.
Yeah. Okay, how about Craig?
get your cardio in. So bang hindi nga lang ako ng first na set kasi wala na out of shape ako. Pero otherwise, hindi lang siya.
Hiningal daw siya pero nahirapan ako. Nasa likod ako pero siya nangunguna. Kasabay niya si kuya. Tapos parang, hello, teka lang, pwede ba?
Waterfalls though.
Yeah, the waterfalls was good.
I love water bodies.
Mountain goat moment na. That was like, beginner?
How about with...
Feel ko ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan kong mountain so far na na-hike ko. Kasi ang ganda ng clearing and ang ganda ng picture spot doon sa mga peak. Yung isa parang forest, tapos yung isa sobrang clear, nakita-kita mo yung valleys. Yun, as in peaceful hike lang siya and favorite ko talaga yung part na may waterfall. Kasi yun yung habol ko sa
Yeah, yun yung point kaya namin pinili.
I love nature.
We love nature.
And rocks.
And water. Bye!